This is how you clean a really dirty microwave. You can see my microwave is really gross. There's even dog hair back there. So you take a bowl of water, some lemon in it, put it on the turntable, and microwave it for 2 minutes. Now, I've already done this for purposes of demonstration, so it's already hot in here. So you take some paper towel, so you microwave it for 2 minutes and you let it sit for another 5 minutes or so. And what you're really doing is you're steaming off, creating a bunch of steam. So you steam off the crud. And voila. It comes off pretty much perfectly. And that is how you clean out a really dirty microwave.